Welcome to Capri, an enchanting island in the Tyrrhenian Sea off the coast of Italy. Known for its rugged landscape, upscale hotels, and designer shops, Capri is a gem that has been attracting visitors for centuries.
Hi everyone, Soren here. Today I'm taking you on a tour of the stunning island of Capri. We're starting our journey at Marina Grande, the main port of Capri. This is where most visitors first set foot on the island. From here, you can take a funicular up to Capri town or hop on a boat for a tour around the island. The funicular ride is a must-do. It's a quick and scenic way to get from Marina Grande up to the town of Capri, and the views along the way are absolutely stunning. Welcome to La Piazzetta, the heart of Capri. This bustling square is filled with cafes, shops, and a lively atmosphere. It's the perfect spot to grab a coffee, people watch, and soak in the vibrant energy of the island. As we wander through the narrow streets, you'll notice the charming architecture and the abundance of high-end boutiques. Capri is famous for its luxury shopping, so if you're looking to splurge, this is the place to be. Next, we're visiting the Gardens of Augustus. These beautifully landscaped gardens offer some of the best views on the island. From here, you can see the iconic Faraglioni rock formations and the winding Via Crup, a historic pathway carved into the cliffs. The Faraglioni are perhaps the most recognizable feature of Capri. These towering rock formations rise out of the sea and create a dramatic and picturesque landscape. A boat tour around the island is the best way to see them up close. Speaking of boat tours, we're now setting off on one. This is an unforgettable experience where you can explore hidden coves, swim in crystal clear waters, and even visit the famous Blue Grotto. The Blue Grotto is a magical sea cave known for its brilliant blue water. The light entering the cave creates an ethereal glow, making it a must-see when visiting Capri. Remember, you'll need to transfer to a smaller rowboat to enter the cave. Now, let's head over to Anacapri, the quieter side of the island. Here you can take a chairlift up to Monte Solaro, the highest point on Capri, for some breathtaking panoramic views. The chairlift ride is a serene and scenic experience. Once you reach the top, you'll be rewarded with 360-degree views of the island and the surrounding sea. It's truly a sight to behold. From up here, you can see just how beautiful and diverse Capri's landscape is. It's a perfect spot to take some photos and simply enjoy the moment. As the sun sets over this enchanting island, we wrap up our tour of Capri. I hope you enjoyed exploring with me and got a taste of what makes this island so special. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, ciao.